Let's learn how to make yummy chicken tofu. We're gonna see how this turns out. Guys, I decided to film after I started doing this. So I saw a video on how to make tofu chicken pieces. So I thought, okay, let's try it. I've already added the parchment paper to a cooking sheet. I have my cheese grater, and I've already started grating the firm tofu. I'm going to add olive oil. It says 4 to 5, 6 tablespoons. It didn't call for onion powder, but I love onion powder. I'm just going to sprinkle that on, some smoked paprika, and I'm going to add some chili flakes, a little bit of salt and pepper, and bim bam boom. I've already preheated my oven to 450 degrees. I can't wait to see how this comes out. Okay, voila. So it looks like shredded cheese. And I think I'm going to pat it down because it feels a little wet. And I did try to take out all the water from it, so I'm going to just pat it down right now. I just think that it will be better if it is drier. So that's what I'm going to do right now before I add the spices and the olive oil. So I'm just spreading it out. Some of it came in chunks, and that's okay because that's how it was on the video. I'll check out who I watched and tag them as well. Alrighty. I'm going to start with some onion powder. I love onion powder. It just brings out so much flavor. I just measure with my heart. Now I'm going to add some smoked paprika. I buy these at Costco. You just get more value for the amount. And again, measure with your heart. We're going to be mixing this baby up anyways. And the other nice thing about paprika, it gives it a nice look too, that brownish look that you want. This is optional. I'm just going to sprinkle on a few chili flakes. Now I'm just going to sprinkle on a little bit of, black pepper. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just sprinkle that on. A little bit of some salt. I don't like it too salty. Okay, it's coming out slowly, which is good. You can use whatever olive oil you have. I always buy whatever's on sale. So now I'm just going to drizzle that over. It said 5 to 6 tablespoons, but I don't know. Again, I'm just going to add what I think is a good amount. Now they mixed it all in with your hands. I'm the only one eating this anyways. So I think that looks good. I'm going to add just a drop more paprika because I want it a bit darker. And mix it. All right. That's the color I was looking for. And now I'm going to put it in my oven. So I have it all ready. I have the oven at 450. And we're just going to add that in. And you're going to set the timer for 30 minutes. And then we're going to let it stand for 10 minutes. So I'll let you see the end product. Okay, it's ready to take out of the oven. I'm just cooking up some onions and mushrooms. And it smells really good. it looks really good. So we're going to let that cool for about 10 minutes. And then you're supposed to roll it up. Oops. My alarm went off. It gets too smoky. So we're going to wait about 10 minutes, and then you take the tofu and you roll it up once it's cool and you slice it. All right, we'll see how that works. But I already took a little nibble and it tastes really yummy. So I waited about, I don't know, 10, 12 minutes, but it's kind of broken apart. It really does taste good. It's quite crispy. So I'm not going to roll it up. I'm just going to break it apart myself and add it to a container. If you can roll it up, the video that I watched said you can, but I'm just going to keep it like this and maybe just tear it apart myself. Hi, it's me. So let's taste this thing. Tastes good to me. So I made some lentil wraps. Hold on. I made some lentil wraps. So I was thinking of adding some of that to my lentil wrap. You can use any kind of wrap or cracker, and adding some grilled vegetables. So that's going to be a great, delicious meal. Add whatever condiments you want. You could add some lettuce or spinach. Add some mustard, different kind of mustard. Okay, so easy peasy recipe to try.